Hey everybody, welcome back to another Next Level Lawn Care video. So today, the struggle continues. I don't know what to do. I'm fighting this spot in the yard, guys, and it's been a thorn in my side. So we got germination about 4 weeks ago on that. And it's not growing. All the other grass seed I've put anywhere else in the yard, front, back, it's growing great. It came in great, except for that one spot that continues to be a thorn in my side. It's getting plenty of water. I'm making sure of that. I'm coming out and checking on it every single day and making sure that nothing's drying up, so that's not what's slowing it down. There's got to be something in the soil that doesn't show up on the soil test that is stunting the growth of that soil. There's no grub issues. There's nothing like that. I've checked for them. They're not there. There's no insects or anything there. And I've even put treatment for that earlier this summer that would have taken care of that just a couple months ago. So there's something in the soil that's creating an environment that the grass just does not like right there. I'm at a loss though. There's nothing on the soil test that shows up out of the ordinary. It's just grass that won't grow. The rest of the yard, even the new seed that I put down, everywhere else in the yard, it's doing wonderful. Over here it's coming in, over there it's coming in. All the new grass seed, it germinated. And well, I mean, we got germination over here, but it's this tall after a month. And it's perennial ryegrass. I've already mowed all the other germinated grass like 3 times. I've knocked it back down. I can't even mow that yet. So what's the plan? Well, it's been 4 weeks since we got germination. We're ready for more fertilizer. I should have got it down last week, but I would have been doing it in the dark. I was so busy with work. On top of the second step of the seeding and overseeding pack from Green County Fertilizer, the next DIY line, which is gonna be the Green Start and the RGS. On top of that, we're gonna do a full application of CK or sea kelp. So CK or sea kelp, basically, however you wanna call it, seek, whatever. It's a seaweed extract, and that's super beneficial for root development and health. On top of that, we're going to put down some more biochar, actually Humachar. Because I ordered Humachar this time instead of biochar on accident. So the benefits, if you haven't seen my video on biochar and the benefits of it in the lawn, basically biochar is charcoal, and on top of holding on to nutrients and keeping them available to the plants longer, it also helps with filtering. If you think about it, a water filter, the inside of that is charcoal. It's activated charcoal. So I'm hoping if there's anything in the ground there, we can get some of this Humachar in there, get it soaked down into the ground. Obviously this stuff doesn't work overnight, but I'm gonna keep adding it. Hopefully that'll help over a period of time, that if there is anything toxic in there, that charcoal can hopefully soak it up and help. I don't know. I'm shooting in the dark at this point. We're gonna do another application of aerate. We're gonna do some dethatch over the whole yard because we're ready for that. And while we're at it, let's keep it going dark green. Let's do another round of the Double Dark Pack. 700 Green Effect and the 002 Micro Green. Let's get some fertilizer put down. What do you say? Ooh, the beard. What do you guys think, huh? Looking a little rough, ain't I? So over the next few months, the few videos that I put out, you're gonna see me growing this beard. It's wintertime, it's beard season. Actually, it's for a fundraiser for work. We make a donation. Normally we're not allowed to have facial hair, so if we make a donation that helps buy Christmas presents for kids, then we get to grow our beard for that month. So for the next 3 months, it's gonna get big. Let's put some fertilizer down. What do you guys say? So normally in the step 2 would be the RGS and the Green Start for the seeding and overseeding pack. So we are still gonna put those down. I could just skip them out and throw down some Green Punch or something, but I'm gonna stay true to the seeding and overseeding pack. On top of that though, we're also going to get a little bit more nitrogen from the green effect, and that's it. So 901, 700, that'd be good. I'm doing about 2,500 square feet here. I don't know what happened to my measuring cup, so I've just been using this dial and spray measurements. It's close enough, it's good enough. So what do we need here? 9 to 16 ounces, so we're gonna do 16. So we're gonna do about 20 ounces of this because I've got about 2,500 square feet. A little bit of grass clippings in there. Where's my 20 mark? There it is. Oh yeah. So we need 18 ounces of RGS. That close pour. RGS. So when you're mixing a lot of these Next DIY products together, you can get some clumping. So I like to break mine up. Did I even bring out? No, I didn't even bring out the green fight. I need to grab that. So green fight I always do on its own, and that's actually recommended by Next DIY. So, and then I always do my micro green and my green effect separate from anything else that I'm putting down. And that just helps avoid any clogging or clumping or anything like that. And I always spray aerate last and then water it in. Sea kelp, 005. So with sea kelp, you don't want to apply it if temperatures are above 85 degrees. You can apply it as often as monthly during growing season. Apply no more than ½ an ounce, diluted with a minimum ½ gallon of water per 1,000 square feet. So we're just gonna do an ounce of this. Maybe a fuzz over an ounce. Can I even measure an ounce on here? Oh, smallest increment's 4 ounces. So we're just gonna go old eyeball method and give her a little splash. We're looking for about an ounce. That's about good. I wouldn't recommend doing that. That could have been too much and I may kill my lawn, but it's my lawn, I can do it. I'll be looking in here, we're good. Go ahead and throw the dethatch in too. 6 to 9 ounces, dethatch. That a good mix. Ha! Ow! Oh, I forgot to purge my line. I'll just wait till it turns black right here. There we go. All right. Here we go. Oh, my tip's crooked. And it's time for some green fight. I don't know if I explained why I wanted to do this, so I'm gonna do it again. And hopefully this is the first time you've heard about it. Green fight, or well, just potassium in general. Potassium, when you think about the 3 main ingredients in different fertilizers that you'll get, there's nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. That's the 3 numbers that are on the front of every fertilizer bag. Like for example, 0031 or a 901. The last number on that is potassium. And an easy way to remember of what each of those numbers really does for the grass is think of the first one as being up, second one being down, and the third number is all around. So nitrogen pushes top growth, phosphorus pushes root development, so down, And then potassium is like the grass's immune system. So it's an all-around health product, which is why we're putting it down, because I'm hoping I can help that struggling grass over there out. Plus I was a little bit light on my applications this summer with it. I did one initial application and then I only did one spoon feeding after that. So we're gonna go back with a full rate of this, which is 2 to 5 ounces per 1,000. So yeah, this one you don't want to mix this with any other products. This one gets applied alone. I don't know if it does something in the sprayer, if it gels up or what, like some of the other products can if you mix them together. So this one's going in by itself, full rate, 5 ounces, about 13 ounces of this. Ooh, good. Look at all that gray, guys. See what this grass is doing to me? I'm getting old. I know some of you laugh at me for that, but would you guys hit the subscribe button already? Please. You can still kind of see the stripes in that grass. I got one of those Checkmate striping kits and I've been using it for the last couple of weeks so that I can get some thoughts on it before I actually do my review on it. There's definitely some things that I hate about it and I might take it off my lawnmower. So make sure you subscribe so you can find out why. Am I even recording? Yeah, I am. I'll take you guys up to the front for the last one, but trying to fight with these dogs and get past them every time. They're such animals. Look at them. Just look at them. I gotta pick up dog poop too. So normally with the double dark combo, the green effect and the microgreen, I like to do those as a foliar application. But we're just gonna get it all watered in right now, which is perfectly fine to do. You do get a little bit better results if you do it foliar. But it's October 1st right now, so we're gonna put down this application of the double dark, and then about a week before Halloween, 3 weeks from now, we're gonna do our last application of that for the year. And I'll show you guys on Halloween. This grass, oh, it's gonna be dark. So, I mean, it's already looking great right now. It's already pretty dark. And we haven't done an application in about a month, so I need water. Poo. Come on, sprayer. Come get your water. Stupid hose. Kinking on me. I hate this hose. This is one of those Continental rubber ones from Home Depot. Don't buy it. This thing kinks so damn easy. I'm always nervous doing this in the grass, trying to film, thinking that these bottles are gonna tip over and I'm just gonna melt a spot of the grass. What do you guys think? Should I show you the front yard? We'll take a look at the front yard on this one. Front yard looks pretty good. I need to get some Halloween decorations going too, man. Oh, so much to do and no time to do it. bit light on my overlap, so I'm gonna try to double up right there. My sprayer is out. There, it's cutting out. Stop cutting out on me. So, a quick update on the Next Level On Seed Challenge. The stellar 3GL perennial ryegrass that I said I thought would come back did not. It's dead. It's the only one that didn't bounce back from that scalp right in the middle of summer that I did to them. They all honestly started struggling quite a bit after that last video that I did on them. I mean, not quite a bit, but a little bit. Like the end of summer really kicked their butt. That last week, they all started to go a little bit brown. Hey guys, I appreciate you guys watching today. I'm just gonna spray this aerate and get it done. I'm not gonna bore you with it, but let me know how your lawn's going this year. Season's almost over, unfortunately. Just probably about another month from now, we're gonna start getting snow here. So, pretty sad about that. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Get outside and get your lawn to the next level. Bye.